Happy holidays, AccuWeather.com meteorologist, Henry Market City. This Friday morning is the eve of Christmas Eve, and our storm system that has rocketed through had severe weather yesterday across the south and snow up across the north, and that is moving quickly out of the picture. And next storm system that's coming along is the one down over Mexico. This is not going to be anything for the eastern seaboard, as it's been looked at quite a bit this week here, but it is just going to skedaddle. Part of it's going to skedaddle on out, and looks like by Tuesday the rest of it's going to come on up. It's really, I tell you, right here it is over New Mexico. It is snowing to beat the band down there. They're getting some heavy snow south of Albuquerque. Those mountains there, some 20-30 inches of snow before it's all said and done, and they're also getting snow up here across parts of Maine, New Hampshire. Now once this gets out of here and this slides off, really the weather pattern calms down. But next week there are some things I'm starting to see. I know, when I start seeing things, people start getting nervous. The NAL is going to go toward neutral, may actually try to dip a little bit negative. If it does, then we're going to have to watch out for the eastern seaboard and watch out for this area to get snow. And that's what I'm starting to look at. Now, I made the statement, I tell you, in these kind of La Nina situations, I was looking at a whole bunch of data the last several days, and you get about mid-March, that's when things really start to break, and that's what I'm really starting to look at for the big one to come along, the big daddy, as I call it. Around mid-February is when I'm looking for the big daddy over in this area, eastern part of the country. Okay, remember that. I know many of you will. All right, here's the storm system, upper level storm here. This one's moving on through. You can see by tomorrow it's over the Texas Panhandle. No phasing going on, so no storms coming. And here is the snowfall across New Mexico. It is snowing hard down here across parts of New Mexico, mostly south of Albuquerque right now. And again, some very heavy amounts down here, road closures, the whole thing. Then, up in the northeast, we still got snow coming through Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. It went a little bit further north than expected, but it is snowing up there, and you folks are going to end up with a white Christmas. There's your white Christmas. You want it, head it up to Vermont, New Hampshire. Go skiing. I bet these folks up here have some pretty good skiing weather. All right, let me take a look at what's going on. Here we go. This is Christmas Eve, and notice, all right, all you kiddies out there, Santa Claus is going to be able to get here just fine across much of the country. Not a whole heck of a lot going on. Some rain breaking out across Texas. I'll have to watch the severe weather situation down there for by the time we get to Christmas Day, as that system moves over toward the Gulf Coast states. And snow showers by Christmas Day across the Great Lakes. Again, no problems with Santa making it to your house. All right. Remember, he's moving at probably 2 million miles an hour, so he can hit every house across the world in 24 hours. And just think, we fun people to figure out how fast Santa Claus moves. All right, next week, this thing down the south here is going to head on up to eastern seaboard. It might try to grab the cold air in the last second, but probably not going to happen. And here we go. Here's the fun stuff. Starts to have this thing. This is the 30th. Okay, and a lot of snow starting to show up here. And if this thing can really dig itself in, and the NAO goes negative, maybe it'll try to wind up at the last second here, and we get a pretty good snow event. And there's another one kind of following behind that. There, a little bit broader one coming in around New Year's. More snow showers and a big cold front coming through. But in any case, there are opportunities for people to get some snow. There's a little bit of rearrangement in the jet stream next week. So, well, maybe we can do it for the year's up. And then we'll start all over again for January. Again, I'll tell you right now, if you're looking for the big one, folks, you got to wait another month and a half, I think. Mid-February. So the big one comes along. All right, that's all I got for today. Have a great Christmas. AccuWeather.com, meteorologist.